And action.
Pineapple.
That's staying in there. Anyways, pineapples, we're going to do the unboxing of the new merchandise that just came in. We have opened the box, but we haven't done the unboxing. All right, the only reason we opened the box is to make sure it was all there and to take off all the addresses so we don't dox ourselves. Except for Lily. If you want her address, shoot me a DM. I'll sell it for cheap.
Matt wants to open boxes because he's too scared to get out of the closet.
You're not touching this anymore. This is now a me and Derek video. I'm also taking this back too. Anyways, Derek, want to go ahead and take out the first piece of apparel?
All right, what do we got here?
Yeah, the first
You're gonna make the bald guy take out the hat. Let's see.
The glare. It's making the camera not focus.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, like I said, we did the unboxing. We haven't taken
nice.
any of this out.
Yeah.
So we haven't touched any of this.
Aftermath trucker hat.
Yeah, it's sick.
All right. I have a big head, so let me adjust it.
Yeah, give it a shot. When we're done, we'll make Lily do like a little modeling show.
Oh yeah, how's that look?
That's actually fire. It actually changes.
Let's go.
Yeah,
do the thing. No, you have to honk.
Toot toot.
Toot toot. Okay, Lily, your turn.
Yay.
I want to play Ring Around the Rosie on opening stuff.
Oh my god, I like this one.
What is it?
Bucket hat.
Oh yeah, this is our bucket hat pimp hat. This thing's sick.
I love bucket hats.
So this thing's like really high quality. So faux fur. It's fucking sick. Actually, that fits you good. Damn.
Damn. It's made for you.
There's like a little like strings on the inside. You can tighten it if you need to.
I like it loose.
Yeah, that looks sick.
That's
though.
what she said.
Now I have to delete this out of the video. Give us a spin real quick. I want to get a full 360 of it. Oh man.
Imagine helicopter.
Just fly away. Helicopter.
Can you put that clip in?
Yeah, well, helicopter. Okay, what's up next here? Oh, what's this? Okay, Lily, go next.
Oh, I get this one?
Yeah. Well, these are all small, so you're gonna get all of this stuff.
Yay!
Except for the trucker hat. I'm keeping that one. Or Derek is. We'll figure that out.
I remember we were talking. Wait, I think you're in Discord, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't tell the story.
About what?
I was like, oh, the hat looks so cool. I want a hat. And Matt was like, no, you're not.
Oh yeah, no, that's for me. I just shut her down. She's like, oh, okay.
Shirt.
See, that one's different than. Okay,
I like this one.
This color actually came out good this time.
It's mesh.
Yeah.
Not really mesh, but
I kinda
it's
liked
like
the
light.
Yeah, it was cool though. Yeah.
I like this a
If
lot.
you're selling any misprints, I'll take one.
Oh, it's
Yeah, okay.
Uniqlo.
Low key like it.
Yeah, the Uniqlo shirt. High quality. Like I said, this is a whole high quality drop. This whole streetwear apparel is
You
going
should
to be
do a. And then I'm wearing it.
I'm editing this, so that's not going to happen.
But you know.
I'm not that level. All right, Derek, what's next? What's in the box?
Alright, next. Looks like. Well, I thought it was like a hoodie, but this is
shorts.
This is shorts.
Yeah.
Oh,
These
yeah,
are actually
let's go.
sick.
What's in the box?
I like this game.
You want to open one? I can open it.
No, I already did all this stuff. This is. I want to see other people's reactions. Because I've been
these
working on
are-
this shit for months now, so.
Ooh.
Damn, those are actually really sick. Eh?
Yeah.
Ooh, those are.
I might get a couple pairs.
I really
yeah,
like this.
Those are sick.
This can double up as like trunks, probably.
I think, yeah, they're cool safe for sure. Because it's embroidered, right? So it's actual thread. So you can definitely take that much. Look at that.
Cool.
Look at that level. Look at that quality. Ooh, the aftermath these
damn.
coats.
It's embroidered too.
Yeah,
Yo, this is
Really nice.
fire.
Yeah, it came out good. Stretch your waist down,
Sweet.
dude. Fuck yeah.
I can wear such a cute
yeah.
fit with this. And you
Oh,
know it's
yeah.
perfect because
Yeah.
I needed shorts.
Yeah, well, these are yours. So afterwards, like I said, we'll get you to try them all on, see what fits and doesn't fit, and then
Oh my god,
We'll
I did
get
not
you
shave
a-
my legs.
we don't have to show it off. It's fine.
Oh, don't look, guys. I'll shave it for Banff tomorrow.
You're gonna be in shorts tomorrow?
Well, we're going on a hike, right?
Yeah. Oh, we might hit the hot springs tomorrow, actually, maybe.
I love the hot
we should.
springs.
What's
Good thing
hot
I was
springs?
working
You've
out.
never been to hot springs before? It's like natural hot water that comes out of the
Oh
mountains.
shit! Can you
It's sick.
go in it?
Yeah, so they like it's like a swimming pool, but they like use the water straight from the mountains.
Oh
It's
cool.
like,
I have
smells-
trunks.
It smells like rotten eggs though, sadly, because that's the way sulfur works. Okay, Lily.
Maybe
Sweatpants.
you're just a rotten egg.
Okay, Derek. Sweatpants.
Wait, really? Is
No, I'm just
it
kidding. No, I'm
yeah.
kidding.
I was like, oh.
Oh.
I was like, he's actually about to see what.
Oh, this is cool. What
Yeah,
is
these
this?
are one of the best pieces.
Velvet?
Yeah,
That's cool.
these are super comfortable.
These are so cute.
Have you
Purr.
Yeah, those are holy fuck. Those are soft.
These are really stretchy.
Damn. Yeah, they are too.
This is really good quality.
Yeah, that was the plan.
Ready?
Yeah. Sweet.
And then you have to cut it out, so I'm wearing it.
Oh, that's staying in. Right?
Oh.
Oh, no, just like that. That's the video. That's sick though. I like that.
Thanks.
Embroider on this one too. Everything's aftermath. Everything.
Thanks.
Let me see.
I opened it myself.
You did a good job. You're real good at this.
Cool.
All right, Derek. What's next? I think it's a jacket.
Oh my god, I know that's so cool.
I think it's jacket or something?
Yeah, the black. Yeah, that is a jacket. Yeah. So these ones here, we're going to redo it because this is like a kind of a, I don't know what to call it, direct to garment that they went with this one, but it's kind of like peeling a bit just because the material of the jacket. And
Is it peeling or is it just the
not
way
really?
looks?
It just kind of looks like it.
It looks
so
like it's peeling, but I don't know if it peels or not.
I don't think it is, but we're just going to change it to embroidery. So this is going to be embroidered after as well. That was also a trial run.
Oh, this is actually cool.
Yeah. Yeah, so you got the
like
little
that's
front.
cool.
A collar jacket thing?
Yeah. Unbutton it real quick. I want to see like how easy it unbuttons. Oh, it's got like the tab on the bottom tighten out.
I get this one too.
Yeah, you get all this stuff. I don't think Derek might fit a small.
I wasn't sure if I had to share with Dre.
No. We'll do another order later. Unless it's too big. If this stuff's too big, just let me know. Because
Try
then
it on
we'll
the way.
give it to other people.
Thanks.
And then we'll
You want me to
get
try
you
it?
extra small.
Yeah.
With
It's too small for
with my
for us.
hoodie on?
Yeah.
Well, I always wear everything oversized anyways.
Okay. Just try it on and see if you like it. Like I said, if it doesn't fit this time, we'll get you big stuff. Or smaller. Because
good.
last time
You like it?
Yeah.
we got you your jersey, pants, and everything. It was a bit too big.
This is nice.
Does it fit good?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Hell yeah, you look stylish as hell.
It's like I'm part of an org.
Yeah, you have been for a little while.
Best Canadian org on the planet.
Thanks.
In all of Canada.
And all of Canada. All right, Lily, last piece.
Yeah, but
This is my favorite piece of the entire collection.
You don't
actually.
want to open it?
I just opened it.
Oh.
We actually opened this one last night.
I thought we didn't open anything, Carmen.
I know. And this is the one piece that I couldn't hold myself back on. Because
This is
like,
the reflective one?
yeah, this is my favorite piece. I haven't actually seen a jacket
And
like
it
this before.
turns pink?
No, it depends how it catches the light. Because it's reflective. So it's
This
like a,
is so
like a-
cool.
It's not trippy looking.
It is.
How-
Oh,
show
geez,
the camera.
the camera kind of shows it, but nothing like in person. Because like in
Should I
person,
go outside wearing
it's
it?
like a, yeah, you
Holographic
should.
looking.
It is a holographic.
This is so cool. How did he make this?
Secret. Top secret. This is proprietary aftermath technology.
Yo, this is actually sick. I can't wait to do it.
Yeah, me too.
Am I wearing light?
Let's see. Yeah, it's just so hard to get it to like show on camera because it's just such a. It's like an optical illusion in person. It's so
It
weird.
looks so cool.
It does though. Actually, that matches your pants really well. Does that fit, or do you want extra small?
Oh, I like this.
Do you?
I like oversized.
Okay. As long as you like it.
I'm wearing this to TwitchCon.
You actually look sick as fuck right now. I'm not
Really?
gonna lie to you. Yeah, you actually look pretty stylish. Hell yeah.
Styled
Turn
by
around again.
Annie.
Let's see the back.
The lighting is like trippy.
Yeah, exactly. Fuck
You want me to wear the
yeah.
hood?
Yeah. I really wish I could show that on camera better, man. Like the jacket.
Like a rapper.
So yeah, the jacket's made of reflective material, so it's like super trippy when you look at it. I don't know. It's crazy. It's the coolest piece you have.
It's like tripping out my eyes when I look
I
at it.
know, right? And you can't capture that on the camera, but it does. It like fucks with your eyes, but it's cool. It's probably
Yeah,
the
it's
coolest
like I'm
piece.
looking through like glasses or something that have reflection. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Oh, it's just crazy.
tripping me out.
I know, but I love it. It's weird.
I'm all swagged out.
You're all swagged out, G'd up, straight from your feet up. That's sick. Yeah, throw it back, Tina. Throw it back. That's sweet. All right. First impressions of the apparel. What do you guys think?
It's actually way more fire than I expected.
Yeah.
I knew
Me
it was gonna be
too, me
sick,
too.
but like,
Yeah, it's
I knew it
fire,
was, I knew it was cool, but I didn't think it was gonna be like this cool.
Yeah, like this level. Yeah,
like this is quality. Like
100%.
usually when I think merch, I just think like, oh, I'm supporting
Printed
the
on,
work,
gilded
but like
shit.
I would wear this
Yeah.
whether or not I'm an aftermath.
I know.
It's like sparkly.
I know. It's crazy, right? It's awesome. So yeah, this has been in the works secretly for the past since December. So it's been, I think before Christmas we started working on
They
it.
even kept a secret from me.
Yep.
I'm a co-owner. Sure.
Yeah, no one knew about this. Only me, Michael, and Buddha knew about this.
This is so fire though. Holy shit.
Everyone say thank you, Carmi and Michael.
And Buddha.
And
Thanks,
Buddha.
Carmi, Michael,
Thank you,
Buddha.
Carmi, Michael,
Yeah, hell yeah.
Buddha.
Super fire.
Yeah, big shout out to Michael and Buddha for all the hard work on the apparel. First time getting it, obviously, in hand, which is pretty cool. It's different, like working on it day to day and like talking about it and like sourcing material and getting the vendor set up and everything. And then finally like having it in person and having like the website ready and the material shot for it. So by the time you're watching this video, we'll have already launched it. So if you want to buy any of the apparel, it's www.aftermathesports.com, and you should cop some pieces. This is just the first of many. All right. Say goodbye and your swagged out shit. That was way more appropriate.
Bye.
Bye. There you go.